Hey everybody, Randy here with an all-new Geek World Order video. And so today, coming to you with an unboxing. I have several packages that came in the mail this week. I've been out. The reasons for that are numerous. It's going to be another video in and of itself. But while I was out, I had some packages come in. So I wanted to go through them. I'm going to see what's in them. I'm pretty sure I know what's in the boxes and the packages, so... But I thought I'd share them with y'all, because it's been a while. Been a little bit. Haven't had too many updates here, so... Why don't we check out some packages and let's do a mail call video. Haven't done one of these in a while. So, first one is an envelope, and I'm, of course, not showing my address, but this is from Ongaku Overdrive. They put on the nerd music shows. Kent Ward and his team, they do a great job in promoting, you know, nerdcore music and all that good stuff. So, I am already having no luck with this. Alright. So, what's in the package? Alright. Alright, so just make sure everything's out here. Got a bag full of stuff. Alright, so we've got some business cards, some various stickers, Ongaku Overdrive business card, Propeller Anime Club, the Ongaku Overdrive, they did a Legend of Zelda themed show. Ongaku Overdrive, the 20XX show they did. So, very cool, very cool. That's some great stuff here. So they threw in a bunch of stuff, actually. Also, some of the artwork from Ongaku Overdrive. I believe this was the Warriors of Light show. Let's see. Some Chocobo inspired art there. Of course, the Ongaku Overdrive, their logo. That's cool. Man, a lot of stuff in this bag. I haven't even got to the part where the stuff I actually ordered. There it is. So they had some pins. So here's the first one. It's from that the Warriors of Light show, I believe, the Legend of Zelda themed one. Although I think I might be messing up the names of some of these shows. Or maybe this one's it. Kent, I'm sorry if I'm messing up the names of these shows. There's another pin that was done for one of their shows. And the Ongaku Overdrive. So I will definitely be putting those on my pin board. They had a sale. Those were the ones they'd already done for previous shows, so I picked those up, put them on my board. So I have 4 more packages. I know what these all are. And this is a big old box. Home Depot box. But for what's in here is a big old box. So sometimes you get a little bored. Late at night, you go on to eBay. And you're just like, you know what? I want to complete some collections. Because, yeah, wow. So yeah, this whole box here is literally like mostly packing stuff. So yeah. So all that packing just for one item. But it is the Star Trek First Contact Geordi LaForge. So I wanted to complete this collection. Or at least... So technically after this there's a few that I still need. But I want to have the main crew in that First Contact style uniform. Because this is my favorite uniform of all of Star Trek. And that's fine. I think the bubble is actually about to come off here, which is actually fine by me. I don't mind that. It's coming out of the packaging anyway, so... Alright, so... But yeah, there's the whole set on the back. Basically, by the time I'm done with this, I'm going to have the whole main crew and the Borg. So, there's Geordi. Let's see. Very interesting. So that was a big old box. But so this one we get mailer wrap. So I'm gonna slice that one open here. This is cool though. Coming home to all these different packages and having all these different things to open. So that's cool. That kind of feeling as a collector. I mean, the thrill of the hunt, I mean, well, hunting on eBay, I guess. But yeah. Come on. Sure, how this one's... I'm trying not to make, like, all the sounds here, but... But yeah, I'm trying to do this on camera, and there we go. It's getting there. I'm gonna put that knife over so I don't hurt myself. Oh, there we go, okay. Aha! This is Camp Picard. So I have been working on this collection for a while. Really, I just needed to kick my butt in gear and actually finish it. Like, I bought Data a long time ago. Then I think I got Riker a couple years later. Probably about a year or so ago, I got a Troy and Crusher at Gods and Monsters in Orlando. They had them. So yeah, so the bubble, like I said, I don't really care. I'm a loose collector, so the card condition really doesn't matter. I just bought them on card because good way to verify that you know you're getting a good quality figure. It's like I said, the fact that the bubble itself is pretty much coming up is perfectly fine. Like I said, I more care about the figure. So I am going to have fun putting it. So they're actually over there on my little Star Trek shelf there. Alright, another box. Let's see who we got next. But yeah, I just kind of said, honestly, I need to finish this collection, or at least finish it to my happiness. I don't really care if I have Cochrane and Lily. I may get them eventually. And I'm kind of iffy on Picard in the spacesuit. Ah, yes. More packing material. This one's got some paper. And some paper. Oh, it's in bag 2. It's in a Meijer bag. Meijer is something we do not have here in Florida. I believe it's a... Is it a grocery chain? I think it's more of a Midwest thing. Ah, okay, so this one is... the Borg. So yeah, we got Borg. Actually, wow, this one's still got a complete, like, bubble on it, like... Okay, actually, it looks like it's coming apart just a little bit at the bottom. But honestly, this is, like, super minty. And I think this might have actually been the cheapest one I paid. Actually, I think I paid maybe $10 or less for all of them. So, very cool. Like, real easy to collect, so... But yeah. But dude, Star Trek First Contact is, like, one of my favorite movies of all time. It is my favorite Star Trek movie. And yes, I even include Wrath of Khan in there. For me, First Contact. It could be a generational thing. Like, First Contact was actually one of the first movies I ever saw in the theater also. So that's sort of, you know, really, I mean, I've loved Star Trek since I can remember. But yeah, it was one of the first movies I saw in the theaters. It's one of my favorite movies of all time. It's my favorite Star Trek movie by far. So by process of elimination, I'm fairly certain that this last box is Mr. Worf. But we'll go through the process here and just verify everything. Invoice. Don't need to show that on camera. Oh man, look at that. That is some nice bubble wrap there. Ooh, very, very nicely bubble wrapped. So, top and bottom, the figure itself is bubble wrapped. There's some, I think I might have some tape layers I need to cut through. Yeah. So I guess if you like package noises, this video is probably for you. What is that called? ASMR? So if you like package noises, this is definitely for you. Oh wow, bubble is almost coming clean off. Oh, bubble may come off by the time I even get this thing out of the package. There's crap. Nope, okay. Come on. Yeah, I obviously don't do these very often. But yeah. Oh, there's the card. Although the bubble came very clean off, so probably due to the age, so if I can get that tape off relatively easy, I may keep this card just as a collector's item, just to have something in there. Doesn't hurt, but yeah, there we go. There we go. It is Mr. Worf. Mr. Smiley himself. Yeah, but I got the whole crew now. So I've got the crew. Like I said, I haven't decided if I'm going to pick up the rest of the figures. Like I said, I can probably get them all really cheap. So, like I said, there was really only the one wave of figures for the entire series, so I'll think about it, kind of make a decision later on, but, so yeah, that's what I've got this week. All these packages and everything. But that's cool. I will go through that and take them out of the package. I'll do something. I'll figure out where my little bin of Star Trek accessories is and put the accessories there. But yeah, I'll get them on the stands. I'll get them on the shelf. And but that'll do it. It's been an unboxing. A whole bunch of Star Trek figures. But, I'll see you next time, guys.